Prop Chat. Ultimate insights of trading with Sabio.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to Prop Chat, the podcast where real traders share their real stories. Today, we're diving into one of the most unpredictable, yet potentially profitable, areas of trading, news-driven markets. Our guest has traded through FOMC shocks, CPI swings, and surprise rate cuts, and today, he's here to break it all down for you. So, he's 33, he's from Brazil, he's a civil engineer, self-made businessman, and professional trader. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Bruno Oliveira. Hello, Bruno. Welcome to our show. It's so great to have you here.
Thank you, sir. Let's go.
Great. So, to start our show, we've got a fun little game for you. It's called Buy, Hold, or Delete. I'll throw out some, popular trading beliefs, strategies, or even myths. And you tell us if you'd like to buy it, meaning, yes, this holds up. If you'd like to hold it, meaning sometimes it's true, but it depends on the context. Or if you'd like to delete it, meaning, nope, that's not for me. If you're ready, we can start.
Okay, I'm ready.
Great. So let's start with the first one. The smart money always wins.
Buy it.
All right. Okay, another one. Let's say you need at least $10,000 to trade seriously.
Delete it.
All right. Another one. Prices move before the news comes out because traders expect it in advance.
I think I hold it.
Okay. Let's continue with another one. Let's say you can't succeed if you don't have a background in finance.
This is delete.
Okay. Another one. Number 5. If your strategy works, don't you ever change it.
This is false. Delete.
Okay, another one. Risk management is 90% psychological.
As I said, psychological is in everywhere, every part, and in trading. And this is not true. Delete.
So, deleted. All right, another one. Let's say technical analysis works much better than fundamentals.
Buy.
Okay. Let's say if you're not trading full-time, you'll never make real money.
Delete.
All right. And the final one. Let's say, you need a trading mentor to truly succeed.
Delete.
All right. So you don't need a mentor, right?
You don't need.
Okay.
But it's good. Understand me?
It's good to have
But you
one.
don't need. It's not necessary. Understand me?
It's not necessary.
But
all right.
It's good.
It's good to have one. All right. So
Yes.
let's now continue with our main interview. So 10 years. Wow, 10 years in finance. That's a whole lifetime. So please tell us how did it actually all start for you?
Okay, start for me searching. Understand me? How to make money.
Mm-hmm.
And I found trading. And after this, I begin practicing, understand me. And I felt very comfortable with it. And day after day, I more and more knowledge about it.
Mm-hmm.
Knowledge, training, understand me, a lot of dedication for understanding the markets.
Mm-hmm.
I search for persons
Sure, yeah.
who talk about this and work with this area. I search about his life. For example, I can say Jesse Livermore.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. This person work with financial markets, but this person not not have a good ending, understand
Sure.
me, but he works with
So,
trading.
okay. So you, sir, are into fundamental analysis, right? However, many traders they prefer to skip this and go with technical analysis only. But you obviously don't. So what exactly do most people get wrong when it comes to trading high volatility events? I mean, in your opinion.
Okay, I know this is of course because with technical analysis you can earn money more fast.
Sure.
Understand me?
Yeah.
This is good for everybody wants money fast. Understand me? And what I think this is the reason
Mm-hmm.
people people only focus on technical analysis.
Okay, but what was the most profitable high impact economic event that you ever traded?
A big economic event, understand me? And I place my order like three, like 1 second
Hmm.
to understand me before the big news. And oh my God, when I place this order, buy the market, boom, big explosion, man, and going up so strong in forex market, so strong, man. I don't believe it. Oh my God,
Hmm.
so shocking moment. And I close my order in the top and make a lot of money according with my balance. Oh my God, so good moment, unforgettable.
Okay. I personally believe that it's so easy to misjudge how the market will react to, big news. But what's your personal checklist for validating whether the news will actually move prices?
Okay, I make decisions based on my strategy.
Hmm.
Understand me? Oh, I just analyze the market. Understand me? Understand the key points for supply and demand. And after this, I take my order.
Hmm.
Understand me?
Sure.
And because my strategy right now is scalping. Okay, it's good for me because I open and after seconds I can close my order. This is good for me because this is make me feel relaxed. Understand me?
Sure.
Because trading involves a lot of psychology, and this is make you very tired and can be very boring
Hmm.
to hold a position. Understand me? And you can't sleep because you
Hmm.
always want to look. You can't relax because I like scalping because this.
Sabio Trade is the number one first choice prop firm. Unlike most, we don't just fund traders. We teach them how to trade and support them along the way. You buy a plan, you get your trading in order through the Sabio Academy, you fine tune your style and strategy with the help of mentors, and take the assessment when you're ready. So, are you ready to get serious about your trading? Then head to sabiotrade.com and start your journey today. Sir, I do believe that all of our viewers they would like to know what's your personal philosophy when it comes to I don't know risk per trade.
You can risk, in my true opinion,
Hmm.
their preparation.
Hmm.
Okay, you can risk 5%
Hmm.
of your capital. Okay, but if you lose, you don't need become sad because when you lose, if you want, you can discover why you lose. This is important, understand me? If you want to be a successful in trading, you need to lose for you learning, understanding how it works.
That's deep.
You need this. You need investment in yourself.
All right, sir. Let's talk Sabio. How did you first discover the Sabio trade community, and what exactly made you want to join it?
Yes, this is a proper firm, right? And this is good because give you big amount for trading. And with a large amount, you can feel more comfortable for
Sure.
practicing, for taking risks without high risk.
All right, but let's talk the big events. How do you personally prepare in the days leading up to major events like FOMC meetings or NFP releases? What tools or maybe I don't know, maybe data do you look at in the first place?
Okay, in these moments, I I like so much these moments because can give me space, understand me for place my order because the volatility in these moments is so big,
Sure, yeah.
so big
Yeah.
movements, and you can place your order in the best moment if you before read the market and identify the supply and demand zones. Okay, when the price take these areas, you place your order, make profit, go out. Oh my god, thank you.
Okay. 10 years, that's just a lot of time. That's just huge period of time. So, over your 10 years in the markets, what patterns have you actually noticed in trader behavior during those, news spikes? And how do you actually exploit those mass psychology patterns in your trading?
Okay, the the trading psychology is important because with self-confidence in these moments, big news, understand me, you can trust yourself. You make the analysis, understand me. You take the risk because it's important you take the risk. You have no fear, okay, but in this moment you are using risk management, okay, and you needed to risk.
Hmm.
Did it? Understand me? This is make part. Understand me? You need to risk.
Okay, all right. Let's take a journey inside your head. Can you please walk us through your mindset during a volatile event? What's going on in your head when a volatile event happening?
Okay, this is very excited moment
Sure,
because
yeah,
a lot of volatility. Understand me?
sure.
But traders need to be cold in these moments. Understand me? Because we are humans. Understand me? We have sentiments.
Mm-hmm.
This is for everybody. And if you are not cold, patience, focus on these moments, you can click without you want. Understand me?
Sure.
Because you make you shocked. The big movement prices make you shocked, and you need to be cold. Understand me? And make you think before. Understand me? According to your strategy. This is enough for make money, but you need preparation.
Okay. In your opinion, sir, do you think that do you think trading the news is more about speed and reflexes, or is it actually more about your deeper intuition built from your experience?
Yes, I think both. But you need to be fast in these moments
Sure.
for take advantage the swing movements. Understand me?
Sure.
You need to be fast, but you need a background. Understand me?
Sure. Yeah. Now, speaking about huge events, let's imagine that several events are taking place around you. So, how do you exactly filter out this noise when multiple events happen in the same, let's say, in the same week?
Okay, you need this in these moments. You need patience,
Sure.
patience to wait. Understand me? And trust your analysis. You need to wait because the market can be random sometimes. Can be random. You don't know. During these times you need to be patient, but if you have a scalping strategy, you can apply in these moments, during these moments.
Sure.
You can apply.
Now, drawdown periods, they happen to everybody, to everybody. But
Yes.
how do you personally handle drawdown periods emotionally and technically?
Yes. In these moments, drawdown moments, if I have multiple accounts or if I have good risk management, I can take advantage for the drawdown. Understand me? Because as my analysis told me, going up, for example, going up and drawdown, going down, I place my order, keep going down, I can place again. For example, with another account or with another volume according to my risk management, of course. And if I was correct when going up after drawdown, I can make a lot of money.
All right, but let's talk money management. Have your personal money management rules evolved over time, or have they actually stayed pretty much the same over the years?
Not the same because
Uh-huh.
every time I improve myself, risking, losing, analyzing, studying every day. Understand me?
Sure.
And I do not stop because I always day after day working like another works. Understand me? And every time winning, this is the best part. Winning, I can at the same time learn more. Keep learning.
Okay. Okay. Continuing the discussion about the money management, what's the biggest mistake that you see traders making when it comes down to money management?
Of course, a lot of leverage. Traders can use, for example, 1 to 1,000 or 1 to 10, 2,000, 3,000 leverage. This is a lot of leverage.
Sure.
Oh, understand me? If the market in Forex, for example, going 5 pips, just 5 pips, can blow our account. Send me.
All right. And the final question, sir. The final one is here. What's a belief or maybe a habit outside of trading that's actually made you a better trader?
My belief in one God.
Care to explain?
Explain my faith.
Yeah. How did it help you to become? How did it help you to become a better trader?
Yes, because This is very good question, because in moments we fail, these moments could be the key moments, because you decide keep going, or you can decide leave.
Sure.
For you keep going, you need help,
All right.
because you can't do anything only you. You need help. And I always ask help for God.
All right, Bruno. Thank you. Seems that's about it. And we'd like to thank you for your time and for sharing your knowledge with us. We're wishing you the best of luck on your journey here at Sabio. Thank you and goodbye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Have a great day. Goodbye, sir.
Prop Chat. Ultimate insights of trading with Sabio.
And to you, our viewers, remember, it's not the news itself that moves the market. It's how traders react to it. So stay objective and always have a plan before the headlines hit. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends about us. And by the way, it's a great day for trading. Just think about it. See you very soon.